Which vitamin helps rebuild bone after a fracture?
Vitamin D is the most important vitamin for rebuilding bone after a fracture. It increases calcium absorption and supports bone-forming cells so mineralization can occur. Vitamin C is essential for collagen scaffolding, and vitamin K helps bone matrix proteins like osteocalcin work properly. Calcium, protein, magnesium, and phosphorus are also necessary. Check a 25-hydroxyvitamin D level, follow your doctor's plan, and use supplements only when needed and at safe doses.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.